The most exciting part of this entire process is when you actually get to see the results of your split tests. And what I'm going to do now is show you a view in my Google Analytics that I created earlier, and it has some experiments which have already run in it. So I'm just going to go down to, it's under behavior experiments, and here's a set of experiments that I ran earlier. And if we just click on this one, then it will give us a graph of the click-throughs for this particular experiment. As you can see, I ran this experiment for 14 days, and I did a number of variations in addition to the original, and we can see that it's been recording clicks, and by far and away the most successful variations were these two here, and it's also given us a rather handy probability of outperforming the original. So we could infer from that, so whatever these variations were, if we implement those on our site, then we're going to do significantly better than the original. I mean, that's fantastic, isn't it? So we can see just by running an experiment for 14 days exactly which of our variations are going to be more successful. But it's even more powerful than that, because you could actually feed that back into another split test and try and optimize against another set of variations to try and hone it even further. So over a period of weeks, as you can see, you should be able to really optimize your ads and your ad positioning for your AdSense using Google experiments and split testing.